Welcome, in front of me is a BQ Aquaris V, and I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So to get started, you'll be presented with this screen, and from here you'll press on start. Then you can set up, it will ask basically on the SIM card as long as one is in there. I'm just gonna skip that for now. No, and I guess I'm gonna press setup as new, but can I go back? Yes, I can. You can also copy the data from the previous device. So by pressing this, like I did, I'm gonna set it up as new. Then I'm gonna connect to some network, like so. And once it's connected, it will automatically go past. And if your network has a security on it, then you will need to put in the password of the network. But this one did not. And from here you'll be able to sign in into Google. You don't have to, but you can. If you don't have it, well, if you don't want to, you can just skip it. But I'm gonna sign in, so let's do that. And then it will require your password, so I'm gonna put that in as well. Once you put in the password, I clicked already next, and you'll see this. So click on agree. From here you can add a fingerprint. If you don't want it, you can just press on skip, but I'm gonna add one. And once you're adding a fingerprint, you will also need to add additional way of unlocking the device, either be it through pattern, PIN, or password. So I'm gonna choose pattern, and then I'm gonna say that no thank you, I don't want it to require when I'm restarting the device. And here it will ask me to put in the pattern that I want, and I'll have to put it twice the same. And then it will ask to scan the fingerprint, so press on next, and then again on tapping your finger on the sensor on the back. I might want to get the fingerprint from multiple sides and directions, just so it gets the full finger. And once that is done, you can either add another finger or the same one for better results of unlocking, or you can just keep it as it is and press on done and move on. And from here you have Google Play service in terms of service basically. So you need to click on agree and next. And I'm not gonna be turning on. And let's get started. Okay, and you should be by now presented with the home screen, as you see. And oops, and your device is all set up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.